Velvet home textile is very popular among consumers for its comfortable touch and elegant appearance. However, once the flannel home textile is stained, it is difficult to clean it. Water stains, oil stains, these seemingly minor problems, but the consumer's home textile cleaning work to bring a lot of trouble. So, is there a way to develop a velour fabric that doesn't stain easily? The use of Texnology LG62 C6 home textile triple proof finish gives velour fabrics excellent stain resistance. After finishing, the velvet fabric has excellent waterproof, oil-proof and stain-proof function. Cola, corn oil and so on can't pollute the velvet fabric. Texnology LG62 C6 home textile triple proof finish keeps your fleece fabric products looking clean and new for a long time, making the cleaning experience easier for consumers.